Hello guys and welcome to Fight Medic. This video is for first years, the 2020 batch which is yet to join college, and frankly I don't know when your classes are going to start because I don't know when my classes are going to start. So what to do in these 2 months? I think you will get at least 2-3 months right now before your college starts.
Stop till we're legends. Here we go. It's my turn to make history.
So we all sacrifices things to get into a medical college. For example, I left playing PC games. I was so into PC gaming, and now I don't even have time to play PC games. So this is time you can just catch up on those things. If you wanted to watch TV series, you can catch up on that. But it is important that you also keep studying. Don't lose that. Once you stop studying completely, if you do that for 2 to 3 months, then you will find it difficult to sit for 2-3 hours, 4 hours to study in your first year. You might find this difficult to imagine right now because you have been studying so hard. But if you waste these 3 months completely, then it is going to be very difficult for you to concentrate and study. You will completely feel demotivated to study. Best thing to do right now is to explore. Just look at all the books. There is in anatomy, there is Grey's Anatomy, BDC, Vishram Singh. Just look at all these books. Which book you all actually like. Similarly, in biochemistry, there is Lippincott, there is Harper's Biochemistry, and also there are some local books which I never touched in my first year. And in physiology, there is Guyton, there is Ganong, there is Constanzo. So just look at all these books and decide which book you are going to read it from. And I'm telling you that MBBS is going to be very different from preparation for NEET UG, because now you want to be a good doctor. You want to develop your competence, not just your competence in solving MCQs, but competence in dealing with patients, because you are going to be treating patients, and your ability to solve MCQs is not going to help you in that. I know some people who in their first year they start preparing for NEET PG. Now, I don't think this is the right thing to do, because as I said earlier, it is about developing competence. It is about becoming a good doctor, not just being able to solve MCQs. You can keep doing that. I mean, you just have to study all these 19 subjects which are going to be in your MBBS. If you study them all very well, if you develop your concepts, then you can easily solve questions. Solving questions is not a big deal. It is not like the NEET UG where examiners ask you tricky questions just to trap you in language or things. Yes, still they are going to trap you in language, but it is not going to be as much as like before. So your classes are not going to happen, and I don't think college classes in your college are useful anyway, because because they have so less time to teach a lot of the syllabus. So they just skim through and just teach you more important stuff, and these important stuff are either for your college exams or for the NEET PG. They don't really help you in developing concepts. So you will need video resources. Now you can buy PrepLadder, you can buy Marrow, or if you want to go to apply for, if you are thinking about USMLE, then you can take Kaplan videos or BNB videos, Boards and Beyond. So it is your choice whether you want PrepLadder or Marrow. I think Marrow is better if you are going to take any of these right now. So it's up to you now how you want to approach these 2-3 months. So that's all for this video. I'll think about more advices what I can tell you. Until then, see you, goodbye, and please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.